The business landscape is changing. If you were to ask your parents if starting a business was risky, what would their answer be? Most likely it would be yes. If they were to start a business, for example, a shoe company, they would have to buy inventory, they would have to have a brick and mortar location, and then they would have to hire employees to run that operation. So from their perspective, starting a business is risky. But with modern advances in technology and a society that values solutions more than they do physical products, we're in the prime age for online businesses. And when I say online businesses, what I mean is you don't need a brick and mortar storefront. You don't need inventory to sit on a shelf that you already paid for waiting to sell it. You don't need to pay rent. You don't need to have employees sitting there. So as we move into this modern digital age, we need to realize that there are business models that aren't as risky, that only involve your time. And when you invest your time in something, you're actually building skills. And these skills are very valuable later down the road. Once you get good at these skills, you can then leverage them to get more clients. So for example, what type of business is not risky? It's the type that you can start from your home. It's the type of business you can start if you're a mother with a brand new child. It's a type of business where all you have to do is invest your time and help people get solutions. And what I'm talking about is a service-based business. Now, service-based businesses are great because if you break it down into its core components, technically what you're doing is you're building a valuable skill set and you're helping other people achieve goals. Not only are you helping deliver results to people that are in need of them, you're also building your own skill set that compounds over time. This will open so many more doors down the road. Now, the great thing about a service-based business is you're in control of who you work with, what you're going to work on, and what results you're going to deliver. And in order to get the skill set that you can actually use to go deliver these results, you can find that on YouTube for free. There is literally an abundance of information now, and you can go find anything that you want, trained by people that are already crushing it in the game and have made millions and tens of millions of dollars in that specific industry doing that specific task. And they teach it to you for free because they're at a point where they've already optimized that business model and figured everything out about it. So once they've built their business, they now see the benefit of leveraging a personal brand and how it helps with networking. Service-based businesses are all the rage because you get to build skills while helping other people achieve their goals. And this is crucial in making a good business because this type of business model not only delivers results, but it doesn't require any overhead such as a brick and mortar business and inventory and employees that you need to hire. You may eventually hire employees, but that may be down the road. It's not going to be something that you need to start with, which makes a service-based business one of the best ways to build skills, deliver results, improve your own skills over time, open more doors down the road, and grow you as a person. The more valuable your skills are, the more value you bring to society, the more value you bring to other businesses. If you look at the most successful entrepreneurs, such as Iman Ghazi, Alex Hormozi, they all started in a service-based business. And they started in these service-based businesses because they require little overhead, and all you have to do is put in hard work to master the skills and get good at client acquisition and deliverables. There's a reason Alex Hormozi has 3 books. It's Offers, Leads, and Sales. Now, the sales one hasn't been released yet, but it's pretty obvious that that's the next one coming in his book series. And the reason he focuses on these 3 skill sets is because in order to get someone to accept your business proposal, you need to have a good offer. An offer is a very unique part of your business, and it's something that you need to craft in a way that makes people feel stupid for saying no to what you have. And you do that by adding so much value into your offer and make it stand out and be unique. An offer should also encompass the least amount of resistance from getting from point A to point B. For example, if somebody wants to land 5 clients, you can say, we'll help you land your 5 clients in 60 days or your money back guaranteed. Now, by adding this guarantee in there, you are reducing the amount of resistance that this person has to buying what you're selling. And once you've mastered a good offer, you'll start having people come in and buy. Now, the next step is having an amazing lead generation system. In order to get people to see your offer, you need to make sure that you're doing lead gen. And how you do lead generation is first go read Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads, but I can boil it down for you right here. You need to have your business set up in a funnel. There needs to be top of funnel, middle of funnel, and lower funnel. Right now, content is the best way for top of funnel. And it's even easier than ever to start getting free organic traffic to your content. Now, in order to get people to go into your ecosystem and start learning about your offer, you need to do organic marketing. Now, you can do paid marketing, but a good rule of thumb is if you have paid traffic and no organic traffic, it doesn't work that well. But if you have organic traffic and then you turn on paid traffic, then it's like rocket fuel. So once you figured out your offer, for example, let's take making websites as your offer. Now, how do you make that offer unique? Well, you could offer other marketing services with making a website. For example, you could not only build the website for them, but you could also give them a CRM and lead management system built into their website so they don't have to attach 3 to 4 different softwares into their business, and they can have the simplicity of one platform that they're using for this fulfillment, and your service will be that solution. Now, once you've figured out your offer, let's go over to leads. The number one way is to find other businesses that need this specific offer. Who is my target market? You want to go ahead and find a niche and then go and find all of the companies inside of that niche. In my programs, I teach people how to generate unlimited leads. And we do that by using data scrapers. And these software tools go online and pull all the Google My Business pages and relevant information from Google Maps of all the businesses in the world. And you can hyper specify which businesses that you're gonna pull. For example, if you wanted to pull plumbers in North Carolina that don't have websites and aren't running ads, you can actually specify all of those in order and procure a list that's hyper specified to your specific target market. Now, once you have your leads, the next thing is going to be sales. And as far as sales go, you want to be using B2B sales techniques like networking or cold calling. Now, when you cold call a company, you want to make sure that they are already interested in what you're selling. For example, since we pulled a list that has companies that don't have websites, they are in need of our service as a web developer. So when we call them, it's a no-brainer for them, or at least it will increase the likelihood chance that we have something that they want. And most of the time, you're helping these businesses get to a level that they can play at against their competitors, because chances are the number one plumbers in North Carolina are gonna have a beautiful looking website, and they're gonna have AI chatbots, they're gonna have lead follow-up, lead nurture, they're gonna have offers, they're gonna have newsletters, everything that you can offer to them using the systems that I've built here is crucial in providing value to these companies. And the easy part is once you get the sale, all you have to do is build the website. And I walk you guys through exactly how to build your own website and white label your own software company so you can do this exact process we talked about today. If you guys want to learn more about that, I've left a link in the description below. You can go ahead and join my free school community where I have a free course where you can white label your own software and start selling to clients like this today. Just to recap, we went over the offer and making an offer so good that someone feels stupid saying no by adding so much value and having the least amount of resistance to get them to their goal. Then we talked about leads. And as far as leads go, you want to make sure that these leads already have a deficiency that you're selling. For example, we have gone ahead and targeted companies that aren't running ads and that don't have websites. Now, you could take that and then start doing roofers, HVAC, med spas. You can do all the different niches if you want to, but you can have that specific framework built in already. So then you can copy and paste and then start cold calling. And the last thing we talked about is sales. Cold calling is the best way to do it, B2B. And if you can, go into your local businesses and sit down and talk to them. Tell them that you've created a website for them and show them that your company is actually losing out on all this traffic that could be potential customers because you don't have a website for someone to get more information from. As long as you're pointing out their deficiencies and why it's hurting their company and that you're here to help them, they are going to be very receptive to hearing what you have to offer. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one.